Let's make sure it's recording first. Record, record. Come on, record. Okay. What sound does an elephant make? What sound does a monkey make? What sound does a crocodile make? What sound does a lion make? What sound does a snake make? What sound does a dog make? What sound does a pig make? What sound does a cat make?
Meow, meow.
What sound does a horse make? There's a lion on there. What sound does a rooster make? What? A rooster? What sound does a chicken make? Oh, come on. You got to show us how a chicken goes, too. Can you show me how what a chicken does? Oh, all of this for nothing. That was the, highlight of the movie. Right? Hey, Finn. Finn, can you show me how a chicken goes? Okay. Are you done doing animal noises? Okay. Can you show me how a chicken goes?
Can you do it some more?
Good job. Can you do a funny dance? Can you jump? Good. Can you make a funny face? Good face. You are done. Good job, buddy.